Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the last topic of chapter number 3, that is image map. In previous tutorial we have seen image as a hotspot, wherein we had added an image as a hyperlink instead of text. There a single miniature image is working as a hyperlink. Now in this practical we will select certain shapes from the image, by clicking which we can jump to different pages. So let's move. Image map. What is image map? Image map is an image added in the web page as a map to create a hyperlinks. Here we create different shapes within the image and creating those shapes as a hyperlink. We need to select the image with a fixed dimension of height and width in the pixels and find coordinates for different shapes in the image. The whole thing we will see in a practical part how it will be done. For our reference we can see these are the different shapes: rectangle, circle and polygon shapes and coordinates. Now see, to select a single pixel or single point we have two values, that is x value and y value. You can see here in a rectangle we need 2 points, that is top left and bottom right. For circle we need only center value, that is x and y, and r, that is radius, we can fix by our own. And third shape is a polygon, and here we can select as many points as we want to select any kind of shape. Okay, this will be the coding. The coding will look like this. See here, img src. Here we will add the image, we will use any alternate text, and the most important thing is use map. Okay, so this is the basic structure of our image map coding. How we will do? We will do practical in two parts. In first part we will select the image with the proper dimension and select different shapes from that image, finding their coordinates. And in the second part we will use the same image as a map and selected shapes coordinates for creating hyperlinks for different pages. Okay, let's move to the practical part. Okay, so here, as we know, to start with the practical we have to create a folder. I have already created a folder over here. Okay, so we will create a page over here. So let's start with the notepad. Here in the first part we have to select the image and find the coordinates of different shapes. So here I'll create a page, HTML, head, title. I'm giving the name, coordinates, and finally title, close. This is only to find the coordinates from within the image. We are not using this page to display, so I am not adding any formatting part over here. I'll simply add an anchor tag h space href, that should be blank, then img src, initially it is blank, then height, you can create a height like 800, width, that is suppose 1200, and the important attribute, that is map, and finally anchor tag, close. body close and HTML close. Now here in IMG SRC part, I'll put an image we want to set as a image map. Okay, and through this attribute isMap we can find the coordinates. Okay, so for example, from this practical I want to use this image as a image map. Now for the ready reference, I have already created this chords part. You can see in the notepad the same thing is there. Okay, so I am adding bg4.jpg in my source and I'll save it. File, save as. In the same folder we'll save with the name, for example, coordinates. Now you can see my file is already created over here with the name coordinates. I'll open the file. You can see a hand mark in the entire image. Now we will click on a particular coordinate to write its XY axis number. Right, for example, here I want to create a circle, so I'm clicking over here. I can see here the coordinates over here in the URL. The center of circle is 597275, and for example I am putting a radius 100. So for circle my coordinates will be 597, 275 and 100. For example, here I want to create a rectangle shape, so I'll select top left and bottom right corner. So I can see the coordinates 25, 87. This is top left, and in the bottom right I can see the coordinates 144 and 332. For example, here I want to select a polygon shape over here, so I am selecting different points. This is my first point. For polygon, this is my first point. Coordinates are 909, 46. Then this is my second point. Coordinates are 1053, 209. This is my third point. My coordinates are 1073, 443. This is my next point. Coordinates are 1185, 565. This is my next coordinate 1184, 266, and this is my last point 1111 and 35. So this is the polygon. Now we will create this three shapes: circle, rectangle and polygon in this image, and we will provide a hyperlink to that shapes only. Okay, so this is the first part. Now in the second part we will create a map of that image. For that, again we will start with the notepad. We will create a new file, HTML, head, title. I am giving a title here, image map, title, head close, body. If we wish, we can give the formatting part like BG color and text color and all these things. BG color, yellow, and text blue. H1 align center. Example of image map. Then H1 close. Now here we will use the img tag, src, the same file. The entire thing of img tag will be same. Only difference will be here, instead of isMap we will write useMap is equal to and provide a name like hash my image I am giving. Okay. Now in the next part we will get a map. A name is equal to what is my map name, that is my image. See, while using the useMap attribute, while giving a name we need to prefix it with a hash, but here in a map we will write only my image. Okay. From that, area shape. First shape is circle. Suppose what are the coordinates? Coordinates are 597, 275, 100. Okay. And href equals to, initially I am putting it blank. Again area shape. Now next shape is rectangle. For rectangle we are using a keyword rect. Chords is equal to, what are the coordinates? 25, 87, 144, 332. Okay, href, initially putting blank. Again area shape is equal to polygon. So for polygon we are having a keyword poly. Chords we are having, that is, here we have to write longer codes, 909, 46, 1053, 209, 1073, 443, 1185, 565, 1184, 266, 1111, 35. So these are my coordinates. href, initially I am putting blank. That's done. Body tag is closed, and finally HTML is closed. Now we will put images over here. Language we are selecting HTML. File, save as. For example, I am giving a name example.html. Save. Here we will put the image. So let us see. Suppose for the circle I want to put this image. Its property, its extension is .jpg. So I'll write here Avengers JPG. Okay. Second, suppose I want to put this image, then let's see its property. It is bg19 and its extension is .png. So I write bg19.png. And lastly, for the polygon, I want to use this bg3 image. Then let us see its extension. This extension is .jpg. So I'll write here bg3.jpg, then save. Let us see example over here. Example of image map. The image is added. You can see a circle. Opening this image, a rectangle, opening this image, and a polygon opening this image. Okay, so this is the example of image map. Let us recall the coding. In the first part, we need to find the coordinates, and to find the coordinates we have the coding like this. Okay, after finding the shapes and their coordinates, we will create an image map. For that, we are having a coding this one. These coordinates are found from first part. These are the shapes. Basically there are three shapes: circle, rect for rectangle, and poly for polygon. Okay, so that's all for today. Learn this practical, do the practical at home. Fine, thank you.